In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Google Meet. Whether you're a student wrapping up a lecture or a professional finishing a virtual meeting, knowing how to properly exit a Google Meet session is essential. It's incredibly straightforward, but it's always good to see exactly how it's done. So let's jump right in. When you're in the midst of a Google Meet session, you'll notice several icons on the bottom of your screen. Among these, on the far right, is a red telephone icon. This icon is universally recognized as the sign for hanging up or ending a call. Just think of it like ending a call on your mobile phone. So, when you're ready to leave the meeting, you'll want to direct your attention to this icon. Now, let's talk through the steps. Simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen if you can't immediately see the taskbar. Sometimes, depending on your settings or how you have the screen arranged, it might be slightly hidden to keep the space looking clean. But don't worry, a slight movement of your mouse will make it visible. With the taskbar in sight, make your way over to the red telephone icon. Hover your cursor over it, and when you're sure that's the option you want to select, go ahead and click on it gently. This action effectively signals to Google Meet that you intend to leave the session, but you're not done just yet. Clicking the red phone icon will prompt a confirmation bubble where you have another choice to officially exit the meeting. In this bubble, you'll see an option labeled Leave the Meeting. Go ahead and click on this button to ensure you're fully disconnected from the call. It's a simple double action step to help prevent any accidental hang-ups. Why these two steps, you ask? Well, it's a practical design choice. Sometimes our fingers slip or a click may happen unintentionally. This two-step process gives you that extra layer of caution to make sure leaving is precisely what you intended to do, and that's all there is to it. By clicking first on the red telephone icon and then selecting the Leave the Meeting option, you have exited the session properly. You'll find this is a quick and easy way to wrap up meetings and is especially useful for maintaining the smooth flow of your daily online interactions. So, next time you're joining or leaving a Google Meet, you'll be confident in your ability to gracefully depart when the meeting ends. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you engage with these tools, the easier they become.